Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super nice rattan sofa that this brand sent to me for the patio. I gotta say, like, the first thing, let's talk about the assembly process. Everything comes explained right here in the instruction manual. It is super simple. I think it took me about 20 minutes. I don't think it took me more than 20 minutes. So it is really simple. I was just like by myself. Also, it comes with a cover that is really good, because not all of them actually comes with a cover. So if you are like me and you like to take care of your patio furniture, doesn't matter if it is the winter, the summer, whatever, you put a cover in it. And I do that. So this one to me is really important to have. Cover 100% approved. And then this one supports 240 pounds. So I gotta say that it's a pretty good amount of weight, just judging by the size. And then it looks so nice. I mean, come on, it's made of this really nice rattan. The cushions are super fluffy, but also firm, kind of like right here on the tushy side, but more fluffy right here on the backrest. So let me show you something before we jump on a little bit of a close-up. This one's right here, as I was telling you before, really fluffy, really good back support. It is really windy today. We had a big storm yesterday, so I hope that the wind is not like messing up with the video. But also this one right here, you're gonna find a zipper, so you can actually take it out and you can wash the cover if you need. So that's another good thing to have with this one over here. The other thing that I want to show you also, let me actually finish with this one, is this right here. This one is going to be more firm. I think so. It's going to be a little bit more firm than the other one, but also these are water resistant, waterproof as well, and kind of like a splash resistant as well. And it has this really nice kind of like rubber pad on the bottom. So once that you put it in, just like this thing won't move easily. I'm trying to move it out and it won't move easily. So as soon as you see this one, the size is about like 31.5 by 30 by 30. So it is for one person, really wide and big, I want to say, and it's so comfy. Here you can see a little bit of a close-up over here about this rattan on the outside. You can leave it outside and you can leave it outdoors. It's not gonna decay, it's not gonna rust or anything like that, like the metal ones. So that is really good. And you're also gonna see right here on the back. By the way, this one's right here. Let me see if you can check it out a little bit. This one's, the legs over here has kind of like this one's you can unscrew and screw them a little bit, so in case that your floor it's uneven, you can play with that a little bit. So that is really cool to have. Like, for example, this one, you would kind of like unscrew the one on the back just to give it a little bit of more height. And once you're done, just like this, let's say, so you're gonna see that this one is not doing it again. So that is really cool to have. And one more time, I gotta say, this one is really comfy on the cushion side, really comfy on the backrest side, wide and nice just to sit for one person and sit perfectly here. So if you have a few of this, you can recreate kind of like conversational area. You can have two for a couple or something like that. I love it, really good. You can leave it outside, super easy assemble, comes with a cover, supports 240 pounds, and it's about like 31 by 30 by 30. I love it, I like it. Thanks for watching. I do recommend. See you soon.